Have you ever dreamed of earning $5,000 or more each month? What if I told you that you could achieve this dream by creating short, engaging videos on YouTube? It's true! YouTube Shorts, with their bite-sized format and massive reach, offer an incredible opportunity for anyone to become a content creator and earn substantial income. The best part? You don't need to be a Hollywood filmmaker or have years of experience to succeed. With the power of AI, creating captivating shorts has never been easier or more accessible. I'm talking about using cutting-edge AI tools that help you generate video ideas, write scripts, and even edit your content, all in a fraction of the time it would take traditionally. Imagine this. You could be relaxing at home, sipping your coffee, while your AI assistant churns out viral-worthy shorts that rake in views and revenue. This isn't science fiction, my friends. It's the reality of content creation in the age of AI. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of YouTube Shorts success and embark on your journey towards financial freedom? Let's dive in. Remember the days when creating high-quality videos required expensive equipment and software? Those days are long gone. AI has democratized video creation, empowering anyone with a smartphone and an internet connection to become a content powerhouse. AI-powered tools like script generators can help you overcome writer's block and craft compelling narratives that resonate with viewers. Video editing software now uses AI to automate tedious tasks, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects of your content. But it doesn't stop there. AI can analyze trending topics, identify popular keywords, and even suggest video ideas tailored to your niche. This means you'll always be ahead of the curve, creating content that people actually want to watch. The bottom line? AI removes the technical barriers and empowers you to focus on what truly matters, your creativity and your message. It's like having a team of experts at your fingertips, helping you every step of the way. Now, before you rush off to create your shorts, it's crucial to understand the driving force behind their success: the YouTube algorithm. Think of it as the gatekeeper of your content, deciding which videos get seen by millions and which ones fade into obscurity. The algorithm is designed to promote engaging, high-quality content that keeps viewers hooked. It considers factors like watch time, likes, comments, and shares to determine the popularity and relevance of your videos. The key takeaway here is this: you need to create shorts that people actually want to watch from beginning to end. Don't just focus on views, prioritize audience engagement, and create content that sparks conversation, encourages interaction, and leaves viewers wanting more. By understanding and working in harmony with the algorithm, you'll increase your chances of going viral and reaching a wider audience. Remember, it's not just about creating good content, it's about creating content that the algorithm loves. Creating viral YouTube shorts doesn't happen by chance, it requires a strategic approach. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you craft a winning strategy. Step 1. Identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What unique knowledge or skills can you share with the world? Choosing a specific niche helps you target a dedicated audience interested in your content. Step 2. Research trending topics. Stay ahead of the curve by researching trending topics in your niche. Use tools like Google Trends or explore YouTube's trending tab for inspiration. Step 3. Craft attention-grabbing hooks. The first few seconds of your short are crucial for capturing attention. Use compelling visuals, intriguing questions, or surprising statements to hook viewers from the start. Step 4. Keep it concise and engaging. Shorts are all about delivering value in a short amount of time. Keep your videos concise, action-packed, and to the point. Step 5. End with a call to action. Encourage viewers to like, comment, subscribe, or visit your website. A strong call to action can significantly boost engagement. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating captivating shorts that resonate with your target audience and keep them coming back for more. Introducing ShortX, your AI-powered video creation partner. Now that you understand the fundamentals of short strategy, let's introduce an AI tool that will revolutionize your video creation process. ShortX. ShortX is an all-in-one platform that leverages the power of AI to simplify and streamline every aspect of shorts creation. From generating video ideas and writing scripts to editing your footage and adding special effects, ShortX does it all. Let's say you're passionate about cooking and want to create a short about a delicious new recipe. Simply input your recipe into ShortX and watch in amazement as the AI generates a captivating script complete with step-by-step instructions and mouth-watering visuals. But that's not all. ShortX also offers a library of royalty-free music and sound effects, ensuring your shorts are both engaging and legally sound. With ShortX, you'll save countless hours of time and effort, allowing you to focus on what truly matters: creating amazing content. Maximizing impact, editing and enhancing your shorts. While AI can do wonders for video creation, it's essential to add your personal touch and enhance your shorts through editing. Here are some tips to take your videos to the next level. First, start strong and end strong. Trim any unnecessary footage at the beginning or end of your shorts to ensure a captivating viewing experience from start to finish. Next, use jump cuts. Jump cuts are a great way to keep viewers engaged and maintain a fast-paced energy in your shorts. They involve cutting out small segments of footage to create a sense of speed and excitement. Additionally, add text and graphics. Text overlays and graphics can help highlight key points, add humor, or make your shorts more visually appealing. Also, choose the right music. Music plays a crucial role in setting the mood and enhancing the emotional impact of your shorts. Experiment with different tracks to find the perfect fit for your content. Remember, editing is an art form, and even small tweaks can make a big difference in the overall quality and impact of your shorts. Consistency is key, the power of patience and persistence. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge and tools to create amazing shorts, it's time to talk about the secret ingredient to success: consistency. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a lot of dedication. Don't expect to become a viral sensation overnight. Instead, focus on consistently creating and uploading high-quality shorts that provide value to your audience. Set a realistic upload schedule that you can stick to, whether it's once a day, 3 times a week, or whatever works best for you. The key is to be consistent and show your audience that you're committed to providing them with fresh, engaging content. Remember, success on YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay consistent, and never give up on your dreams. Section 8. Expanding your reach. Leveraging TikTok for exponential growth. While YouTube Shorts offers incredible potential, why limit yourself to just one platform? TikTok, with its massive user base and focus on short-form video, presents an excellent opportunity to expand your reach and grow your audience exponentially. The best part? You can repurpose your YouTube Shorts for TikTok with minimal effort. Download your shorts from YouTube and upload them to your TikTok account. Just be sure to optimize your videos for TikTok's vertical format and add relevant hashtags to increase discoverability. By leveraging the power of both platforms, you'll tap into a wider audience, increase your chances of going viral, and potentially double your income streams. It's a no-brainer. Section 9. Embracing the journey. A word of encouragement. As you embark on your YouTube Shorts journey, it's important to remember that success doesn't happen overnight. There will be challenges along the way, moments of doubt, and perhaps even a few technical difficulties. But through it all, remember why you started: your passion, your message, and your desire to connect with the world through the power of video. Embrace the journey, learn from your mistakes, and never stop experimenting. The most important thing is to have fun, be yourself, and let your creativity shine through. When you're passionate about what you're creating, it shows, and people will be drawn to your authenticity. Section 10. Join the movement. Subscribe and unlock your full potential. Are you ready to take the next step and unlock your full potential as a YouTube Shorts creator? Join our incredible community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about using AI to create amazing content and achieve financial freedom. By subscribing to our channel, you'll gain access to exclusive tips and strategies for creating viral shorts, behind-the-scenes insights into the world of YouTube and AI, motivational content to keep you inspired and on track, and a supportive community of fellow creators who understand your journey. Don't wait another minute. Hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this exciting adventure together. Section 11. Conclusion. The future of content creation is here. The world of content creation is changing rapidly, and AI is leading the charge. With the rise of YouTube Shorts and powerful AI tools like ShortX, there's never been a better time to unleash your creativity, share your message with the world, and earn a substantial income doing what you love. Remember, success on YouTube takes time, effort, and consistency. Stay true to yourself, embrace the journey, and never stop learning. The future of content creation is here, and it's waiting for you to shape it.